Expert consultancy regarding how to become gold savvy. Learning how you need to purchase gold will certainly be a critical skill for all investors. Diversity is important, and gold may help diversify your portfolio. However, have you figured out how to begin? There are plenty of options that it could seem overwhelming. Carry on with this particular article if you'd like to learn what goes into making an investment in gold. Bullion bars are definitely your best gold investment. Bullion bars come in many different weights. They can vary from 1/2 ounce to bars that weigh 400 ounces. A heavier bar might be more difficult to get, however. It is essential that there is a solid understanding of how the gold and precious metals market works. There are actually fluctuations in the prices of such metals each day, and you should are aware of the current price. Additionally, you will need to pay over melt value, but you will sell below melt value. It is possible to sell your gold online. You no longer need to buy then sell gold at the physical location. You can find a great deal of websites to market gold. You will get a kit to come back gold. When they accept the pieces, you are going to receive their prevailing rate. Know about the going rate of gold prior to sell you gold items. This can indicate whether you're acquiring a reasonable price or not. Most dealers gives you the market value, but some will count on the fact that people simply wish cash to try and receive the best deal possible for themselves. Get your jewelry appraised. Paying a specialist to appraise your item is a good investment. Make sure to select an appraiser that is accredited and independent for the realistic appraisal. When selling gold jewelry, you will receive just a number of the appraised value. You could also use gold money to get gold. Think of it as a bank account that deals exclusively in gold. You are going to simply establish an account, deposit fund and receive the price of your money in gold. Instead of having to keep this valuable commodity at home, it sits safely from the vault at the bank. You are free to withdraw when you choose. Take care in the gold market. There are many shady companies within the gold market. There are actually those available that can intentionally provide you with a much lower price in comparison to the gold is worth in case you are selling, and increase the price in case you are buying. Therefore, you should proceed with caution and research each company carefully. Talk with a rep with a gold party to view the direction they determine the volume of carats within a jewelry piece. Often, the product is going to be stamped. If there is no stamp, there are actually different ways to check the gold to make sure it is solid. Acid testing is a very simple method, thus if an agent is utilizing this, they could be new. Sort your gold by the amount of carats it is actually. When the vendor weighs all of your current items together, you simply will not obtain a reasonable price for your higher carat items. You may earn more when you sell your gold separately by carat weight. Have everything organized to improve the money you will get. Gold is often a lucrative but volatile investment. When you have low risk tolerance, avoid this market. Even when you are okay with using the risk, you need to prevent downside risks. Only invest a compact amount into gold. An excellent limit is 5%. Within the last 10 years, gold's price has risen about 400%. The changes in currency value affect the price of gold. Higher gold prices work together by using a weak dollar. If you are planning to sell your gold online, examine the going cost of gold first. Frequently, you can get better values by using a local trader as compared to a retail location. While simply dropping the gold within a box and shipping it because you're short by the due date can seem to be convenient, whenever you can make much more money locally, you ought to. You can find cheap deals by purchasing gold from individuals. Ensure you have a clear idea of the hazards involved with this type of purchase. Always have coins appraised. When you happen across someone desiring to sell cheaply and you also believe the item to be genuine, you can buy and cross your fingers. If you're just starting out with gold investing, you should attempt not to make things complicated. Keep away from popular investments like gold futures. Futures are generally volatile and complex. You may end up losing your investment should you don't seek information first. Investors who have been in gold investing for a long time are the type that form of investing ought to be left to. In case you have gold that has gems inside it, once it's melted down, see if you're effective in keeping it. Remember that really small gems are quite hard to remove. Someone trading in gold is most probably not going to require a tiny gem, since the value is not really there after it's melted down. You ought to guard against buying an excessive amount of gold as an investor. It is not necessarily the correct sort of investment to supply earnings. The purchase price will fluctuate a lot within the gold market. Equities decrease, but gold continues up. 5% tops is what you need to purchase the gold market. If you don't have much cash up front to purchase gold, you still need options. After a while your investment will grow in value. Search for smaller gold items and coins that help you to jump into this market. The collection will build, as will your profits. Among the finest methods to buy gold is to invest in bullion. It's not hard to find out value of the bullion since they are each marked clearly, and bullion is really created from fine gold. You always want to ensure that you order from a respectable and recognized seller. Understanding investing can help you make sound decisions. This article has taught you how you can make wise decisions. Bear in mind the advice that has been told for your needs, and acquire moving in the correct direction.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.